A common misconception is that oxygen is good and carbon dioxide is bad. And that's simply not the case. Let's just take a step back from that statement and let's think about this. When we breathe in, we are largely breathing in air in order to bring oxygen into our body. And we can just stop right there and say, why do we breathe at all? Why can't we just get oxygen from the world around us? Well, it's because oxygen can't diffuse through our skin into the deeper cells of our body. Other single cell and very simple organisms can actually bring oxygen into their system without the need to breathe. But we have to breathe in order to bring oxygen to the cells that reside deep in our body. In particular, our brain cells, which are the most metabolically active cells in our body, require a lot of oxygen. And those brain cells are sitting, of course, in the brain, which is encased in the cranial vault, the skull. And so oxygen can't simply pass to those cells. So we need to have a system that will deliver oxygen to those cells. We also need a system, which turns out to be the breathing or respiratory system, that can offload or remove the gas that we call carbon dioxide. Not because carbon dioxide is bad, but because too much of it in our system is not good. In fact, much of today's discussion will also center around the common misconception that carbon dioxide is something that we want to get rid of. You don't want to get rid of too much carbon dioxide, or else you can't actually get oxygen to the cells and tissues of your body in an efficient way. So you need oxygen and you need carbon dioxide in your body. You also need to be able to offload or remove carbon dioxide and bring in oxygen in the correct ratios so that you can perform the kind of mental functions and physical functions that you want to. So if we just dial out even further, we say, what are the key components of breathing? What are the elements within the body